This conference will now be recorded.
Hey, hi team. Welcome to manual2selenium.com. This is Bashir. Today's agenda is going to be navigate commands like back, forward, to, and refresh. Prerequisite is you should know about installation and setup part. You can watch my earlier videos on this. Let's take a demo and see how we can make use of those four methods. So here in test specs, I'm going to create one file over here. Navigate demo.ts, right? So as we all know, right, so we need for sure when the protractor, okay, so particular specific URL, my bad, we are going to use this method. I mean this particular URL. I will simply add the sleep statements over here for 3 seconds. So what I tell you the scenario, right? So if I take Google over here, two buttons disabled. Okay, so generally when you navigate one side to another side, these things are, you go to any other, say for example you like this, I mean just clicking on forward button and backward button. Okay, so to do that you have now dot, okay, it will take you to the URL that you specify in this particular parameter. Okay, when it comes to the matter of get and differentiation, okay, so both are browser method level, browser dot sleep. When you navigate one page to another page, so definitely they're enabled. Okay, so how will you click on that back button? Okay, so here navigate dot, it will click on the, once it is done, I want, the reason is when you, navigate from here you can see forward button, reason is back, and then it will, in here I want to click on the forward button. How will you do that? Same method. So browser dot navigate dot, the same things are available that game, right? So forward, fi over here, and you can have this symbol, right? You can click on that, you can refresh. Then how will you do? Through programmatically, through navigate dot currently where it is. Get method, we know that it will take you to the URL. It will wait for 3 seconds, and then there is no difference between get dot navigate dot, same. And clicking on the back button, clicking on the forward button, and then refresh. Okay, so in order to run it, we know that we have to make an entry over here, right? So navigational demo.js. Okay, so here I can start running now npm test, npm test. Now let's see how the execution will goes on. Instantiating the browser, navigating to the URL, right? So after 3 seconds, it should navigate to the Protractor organization site, right? So this is what happening. Now see, forward button is disabled, but this particular backward button is enabled. It's clicked on that, and then you should click on the forward. You can observe right upper corner, the same thing. And here the page should refresh. The same, that's it. Okay. So basic commands, browser.navigate.to will take you to the different URL, and it will click on the back button, driver.navigate.back. And then in order to click on the forward button, you have browser.navigate.forward, and in order to refresh a page, you have browser.navigate.refresh. Okay, so basic commands. Okay, I hope it is very helpful for you. Okay, so like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you from manual2selenium.com. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.